In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of image in Adobe Express. Whether you're refreshing a brand graphic or experimenting with a photo, this quick process will help you recolor with confidence. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser or app. Once you're on the home screen, give the workspace a moment to load so all the creative tools appear. If you're returning to a project, you can continue where you left off but will begin fresh. Click Start New Design to create a new canvas. Pick any size that fits your goal. Square for social posts, portrait for stories, or letter if you're testing ideas. Don't worry too much about dimensions. You can resize later without losing your progress. Choose the sample option to drop into a ready-to-edit layout. This is just a quick way to get a canvas open, and you can always clear or replace elements so the focus stays on your image. Open the media panel to bring in your photo. You'll typically find it along the left side. You can upload from your device, pull from libraries, or browse available sources. High-resolution images work best when you plan to push colors, so pick a clear, well-lit photo for cleaner results. Select the photo you want to recolor, and it will appear on the canvas. Use the corner handles to resize and drag to position it. If you need the subject centered, align tools and snapping guides are helpful. Keep the aspect ratio locked so objects don't stretch. Now click Effect to access the color changing tools. In this panel, you'll see options like filters, duotone styles, and color overlays. Start by trying a filter to shift the overall mood, then fine-tune intensity with the slider so the result feels natural. For bolder, brand-ready looks, choose a duotone effect, then customize the highlight and shadow colors to match your palette. This is great for turning a photo into a graphic. If the option is available, nudge hue or saturation to steer colors toward a new family, or tone down overly bright areas. Subtle adjustments usually look more polished, so increase changes gradually and compare with the original as you go. When you're happy, click away from the panel to preview your design on the canvas. That's all it takes to change the color of an image in Adobe Express. Practice with different effects and color combinations, and you'll quickly develop a feel for what looks best for your project.